Yeah, hundreds on my bed, texting with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks on racks on racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here.
Awesome, thank you. I made it! I'm alive! I made it out of Sin City unscathed, unharmed, and most importantly, a lot smarter. Was just at the 10X Growth Conference. Grant Cardone threw a badass event. If you didn't watch that video in the last vlog, that'll be in the show description below, so feel free to check that out. But we had a great time. I mean, it was jam-packed with amazing speakers, a very masculine conference, closing, sales, get out there, 10X your life, come on! As Uncle G would say, where's my money? But it was fun. It got me fired up. Definitely some great things I'm going to be implementing, and I'm actually releasing all the notes, which I got more notes from any conference than before. This conference was just crazy. So if you want those notes, I'm releasing those for March's Millionaire Notes edition, as well as one of the upcoming millionaires that I'm interviewing live with all the community members who get to ask their questions in this month's Millionaire Notes, and Millionaire Mentors Mastermind is going to be off the chart. So if you want those, feel free to head over to millionairementorsmastermind.com. $7, guys. It's crazy. Some people are charging $1,000, $1,500 a month for this kind of content and to get access to these kind of speakers. So if you want that for $7, feel free to head over and check that out. But we're here in San Diego, Traffic and Conversions. I'm here with another one of my good buddies who's in my mastermind group. We do a call every single Tuesday. We've been doing it for the last few years, and so it's good to be able to get to hang out with my brother Daniel. And really, this is all about digital marketing. If you're an influencer, if you are a speaker, a trainer, if you have an online course or product or service, or, you know, and this is for all the people that, you know, have a skill that can solve a problem and provide a solution to, you should be packaging that up and offering that to the people who need it, right? And so this is a great conference for that, whether there's gonna be a lot of high-level seasoned marketers and, you know, influencers and digital marketing individuals, and then there's gonna be some people that are just breaking in or just learning. So I'm, I would say, right in the middle, looking at how to elevate and take the six-figure flipper to the next level, looking how to scale the Direct Mail Millions course, got a pay-per-click course that I'm working on, a goal-setting course, a handful of other things that will help people create more wealth in the real estate entrepreneurship space. And I know there's going to be some great content here. This is more of a seminar style format. 10X was more keynote speaker. This is more seminar style, so breakout sessions with, you know, experts in particular niches of digital marketing that get real tactical, go super deep, and it's going to be good, man. So I'm fired up. I'm going to be taking the notes and releasing those in Millionaire Mentors Mastermind in April. And we got a great guest, Mr. Rock Thomas, who he just released a Goalcast video that got over like 50 million views. And Rock has been one of my mentors, a great friend of mine. I've traveled all over the world with him. So we got him, Hal Elrod coming up. We got billionaire Jeff Hoffman joining us in May, my birthday month. My brother Jeff, I appreciate you, man. So some really great stuff coming up here, and I want to make sure you guys have access to it. So feel free to check that out, millionairementorsmastermind.com. I'm going to go to the gym because I've been off the gym. I've been eating like crap. I've been drinking, all things that I did not want to do, being that I've been on this consistent and disciplined routine. But getting back on the horse, gonna get into the gym, go take a walk, get some sun, check out the water, get some food, and then really just decompress and get some rest for tomorrow. So let's go get a little lift in. Let's go check out the water. I'm gonna fire up the drone, I think, and I'll bring you guys along today. Peace. Whew, all right, so I just finished a little workout. It's beautiful out here. It's freezing in Vegas, so I'm gonna go take a little cruise on the harbor, check out all the boats, get a little inspiration, visualization for what I'm about to be rolling in one day. But I'm gonna cruise around the resort real fast, get the lay of the land, and fire up that drone.
Oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road, I'm headed home, I'm where that at. I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of...
Well, I am recharged, feeling good, getting ready to get it for the conference. And I was walking back on the little walkway and I see this band playing, I hear the music. I just felt called to go over there. And let me tell you, I am damn happy I did, because I might have just experienced one of the best dancers of all time. Dude has some moves. Tone, cue the guy in the orange shirt. You ready? Get it. Well, that guy, you know what? That guy is the man. I gotta say that, all right? If you are too worried about what you look like or how goofy you are or what you sound like or what you say, fuck it. Go out and be you. Turn the volume up on you. Everybody's trying to shrink down into pleasing somebody or, you know, not doing something because of what somebody else might say about you. Go out there, be yourself. The more yourself that you are, the more individuals, relationships, experiences, opportunities, conversations you're going to attract that mirror the real you. So be you. I'm gonna sit here by the pool, pop open the laptop, finish the rest of the day off, catch up on some work. Got a flip that is closing this week. Got one that I'm buying this week. Got two that I put on the market last week that we're reviewing offers on. So got some work that I gotta get done. I'm fired up for traffic and conversions. If you guys want to see some more real estate investing videos, if you got specific questions for me, if you want to know, what some of my takeaways are, what I'm up to, anything regarding real estate and or real estate investing or entrepreneurship, I want to make sure I connect with you guys because I get lots of questions all the time. So feel free to follow me at Official Matty A on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. You can always direct message me on those platforms or just drop me a comment below. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
$997. Now listen to me. If you're on the fence, if you're thinking, oh my God, should I do it, but you don't know? If you don't take my word for it, do me a favor. Take that. Let's go, Vegas!